Drop it.
Hello everyone, hello Cryptomundo, hope you are doing great. We are back with a brand new project and a brand new idea. We're gonna talk about the next generation computational network. Yes, so the project name is Flux. The website is run on flux.io. So Flux is a new generation of scalable decentralized cloud infrastructure. You can simply develop, manage, or spawn your application on multiple servers at once. And now they are ready to launch the Web 3.0 and dApps and more. So Flux can get you, like, for the nuts, it's gonna be 2,208 nuts. For the cores, gonna be 10,872 cores, 827.05 terabytes as storage capacity, and 34.66 terabytes in RAM. So you can be sure that your project gonna be run perfectly fine. So you can deploy either the app from here or launch node from here, and this is the GPU mine. So you can also download the crypto wallet from here, and these are their partners that they already trust them and they are running their companies on their system. So the new Cloud 3.0 for a decentralized internet. It's a comprehensive suite of decentralized computing services and blockchain as a service solution. The Flux ecosystem consists of Flux nodes, decentralized infrastructure, Flux OS, Cloud Operation System, the Zelcore self-custody multi-asset wallet, and the blockchain app suite. And finally, the Flux blockchain for on-chain governance, economics, and parallel assets to provide interoperability with other blockchains and DeFi access. And Flux provide also the critical high availability infrastructure for the new internet, and projects and development team are not forced to rely on the Flux blockchain to utilize Flux OS, so they have access to necessary infrastructures while maintaining all the unique properties of their own chains. So Flux makes up one important piece of a well-balanced distributed computing portfolio focused on the next generation of the internet. So this is Flux nodes and this is the Flux OS. This is the token Flux, and like the XDA, the Ethereum, the BNB, and this is the Zelcore, this is the Fusion, and this is the decentralized finance and the DEX. So you want to run a dApp on Flux network, you can launch your app just by clicking here, and any hardened Dockerized application can run on Flux, fully decentralized computational network. The Flux service offers a fully decentralized alternative to other service providers while maintaining competitive pricing. And for the applications running on Flux OS, its simplified decentralized cloud infrastructure is what Flux OS stands for. Flux network computational power is giving you the liberty to not worry about your infrastructure, focus on your developments and leave the infrastructure work for them. So you don't need to worry about the infrastructure, you just need to worry about developing your idea and working on it and focusing exactly on your purpose. And for the infrastructure, FluxOS will take care of this and will take care of it, and you know, as we mentioned before, how much terabytes of space and the cores and everything. And you can try FluxOS today. The platform gives developers and node operators the ability to easily use and perform functions like deploy dApps, view rewards, check nodes, use global apps, view resources, and vote on the XDAO. So you can discover more just by clicking right here. And FluxOS is your gateway to a decentralized world. So it's a revolutionary second layer operating system that allows hardened Dockerized apps to run on Flux fully decentralized. computational network in an efficient, safe, and optimal way while providing the API access and other core features. So there is the decentralized, the interoperable, the redundant, and the API backed. So the Flux network is fully decentralized, making it highly resilient to both system failure and outside attempts at censorship nodes, and collateralized and managed by individual Flux. So nodes operator ensuring spready is full decentralized. And for the interoperable, the Flux OS is fully compatible with any blockchain and any hardnet Dockerized application. You can run any application on any blockchain on Flux OS, so there is nothing to worry about this. And for the redundant is the Flux OS application are redundantly spread across the node network with automatic failover to a new node if one becomes unavailable. I'm sorry about this. So the API backed its deployment and management of application launched on Flux is APA or UI. It's like a user interface backed, allowing for seamless integration with your services. For the scalable and the decentralized computational network, there is the enterprise grade, the scalable, the rewards, and the global. So the Flux OS is powered by individual Flux holders running Flux nodes. These Flux nodes are geographically spaced all over the world, so developers can be assured that their apps are accessible by users at all times and locations. So for the enterprise grade, Flux nodes are hosted on enterprise grade hardware in decentralized manners all over the world, and node operator have a host of choice including bare metal, cloud-based, the RM64, and even the VPS services. For the scalable, the Flux node must meet certain minimum requirements to be accepted by the network, ensuring a predictable level of performance for application running on the nodes. And for the rewards, the Flux node operators are rewarded daily for running a node, with block rewards being split 50-50 between the GPU miners and node operators. And about the global, the Flux nodes are running in dozens of countries around the world, providing a truly distributed computational platform. So if you do have a society, or like you do have a business that you need the infrastructure to run it on it, and you need people to work with you and to work in this business with you on this infrastructure or this platform, so you do have nothing to worry about. Wherever they are, wherever you are, you can use the Flux. Okay. And now for the Cumulus 10,000 Flux, you can get 2 vCore, 4 GB of RAM, 15 GB ish HDD or SSD as a space, and you will get also 2.5 TB bandwidth. So the deterministic block rewards gonna be 7.5%, and it will goes by for 25%. You can see how much you get, 100,000 Flux, and what you will get, and the percentage also. And if you wanna run your own node, you can run Flux node from home or on a VPS in a data center, as long as the hardware and the bandwidth requirements are met. So the Cumulus and the Nimbus nodes can run on a Raspberry Pi 4. Our easy to follow videos guides will get you started in no time. So you can just click right here if you are interested to run your own node, and the videos will explain to you everything clearly. So if you want to subscribe to the newsletter, you can just click right here. And now the Flux is the gateway to blockchain. Flux is the cryptocurrency that powers the Flux ecosystem and is used for purchasing resources, collateralizing nodes, and fueling transactions. On Flux OS, rewarding both miners for validating transactions and Flux node operators for providing computational resources. So there is the ZIL hash, the hashing algorithm, and the block reward is 75 Flux. The reward distribution is 50% PO and 50% nuts. The block time is 2 minutes. The max supply is 440 million and the halving is 2.5 years. The P2P ports are 16,125 and the RPC ports is 16,124. So for the leveraging of power of multiple blockchain, Flux network innovates and expands. So these are the key factors for them. So they proposed a new economic model with a strong approach to DeFi and Web 3.0. So the Flux project has implemented a mechanism of parallel assets that will live on other blockchains, and Flux will capitalize on the beneficial features of each blockchain without depending on any of them. And for the ZIL core, you can download the one wallet for all your crypto needs. You can find all the coins that you will need, and they do have plus than 380 coins and tokens, and they've got also plus 4 years of experience, the portfolio management, the buy and debit cards, built-in exchange and cross platforms. Okay, so now we will check their roadmap. You can just click explore or discover. You can click on roadmap and their white paper as well. So for their white paper, guys, if you are interested in this project, can you please read the white paper carefully, because it contains detailed information about this project, so you will know much more information because you are interested. And now for their story of their roadmap. So in Q1 2020, the Flux node and the Flux OS, they started the creation, and the Flux OS was released on all Flux nodes. The Q2 2022 Flux node developments, they benchmarking released the Flux node, and over 500 Flux node globally launched Flux explorers, over 900 Flux nodes active, and the first Flux app for folding at home is activated on all Flux nodes. So of Q3 2020 Flux app, the Flux is communicating with all nodes milestone for being able to launch the Flux apps. The testing capability of Flux apps, over 900 nodes launched and active. For the Q4 same year, the Flux apps on the Flux OS. March 27, 2021, the rebranding and the Flux OS. Q1 of 2021, the parallel assets and governance. Q2 2021, the fusion and the XDAO. And many more. So if you are interested, guys, please read this carefully, and you can still get more news here, so that you will discover this project more and more and more. And now we will go see their Telegram. They've got 5,000 subscribers, and for their Twitter they've got 25,000 subscribers, which is good. So I advise you guys please to follow them as well and to help them. And for the people that they've got societies and they wanna work on this platform, please, I advise you to read the white paper carefully. And if you still do have any problem or question or something, you can just contact them and they will be glad there to help you, and to help you to go through all your problems, so you can run your business on their network or platform. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and I hope you liked it, and I'm gonna give you another appointment with another brand new idea.
Drop it.